You've got $100. Now imagine that same $100 growing into a life of financial freedom. Sounds impossible? What if I told you that the first $100 could be the spark that lights up your journey to wealth? The real question is, will you let it sit idle, or will you make it work for you? If the thought of investing sounds intimidating, confusing, or even overwhelming, trust me, you're not alone. But here's the kicker. Waiting will cost you far more than $100. And by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to make your first investment, starting right now. Oh, and don't worry. You don't need a Wall Street suit or insider knowledge to start. Just $100 and a bit of courage. So, let's dive in before that $100 turns into 20 coffees and regrets. Point 1. The cost of waiting. Here's a sobering thought. Every day you delay investing, you're losing money, not physically, but in potential growth. Think of time as your best friend when it comes to building wealth. Compound interest isn't just math, it's magic. But here's the problem. Most people think, I'll start when I have more money. Guess what? That more money phase might never come. The longer you wait, the steeper the hill gets. Fear of starting is the enemy. But with just $100, you can break that cycle today. Stick around because in a moment, I'll show you exactly how to turn that $100 into your first step toward wealth. Point 2. Understanding your investment options. All right, now let's get to the exciting part. What can you actually do with $100? Spoiler alert, a lot. Let's break it down into 3 simple paths: ETFs, individual stocks, and high-yield savings or bonds. ETFs are like a sampler platter at a restaurant. For your $100, you're investing in a basket of companies, spreading your risk while still gaining exposure to the market's growth. Think S&P 500 ETFs. Low cost, high reward over time. Individual stocks? That's like betting on one horse. High risk, high reward. Just don't go throwing your $100 at meme stocks because your friend told you to. Unless your friend's name is Warren Buffett. Point 3. Start small, think big. Now, let's say you go the ETF route and earn an average of 8% a year. It doesn't sound like much, but compounded over 20 to 30 years, that $100 could multiply into thousands. The key isn't how much you invest, it's how early you start and how consistent you stay. And here's another pro tip: fractional shares. Many platforms now let you buy a slice of a high-value stock with as little as $1. So yes, your $100 can get you a piece of Amazon or Tesla without breaking the bank. But what about the risk? How do you avoid losing money? We'll tackle that next. Point 4. Managing risks and emotional investing. Investing isn't gambling, it's strategy. The biggest rookie mistake? Letting emotions drive decisions. Fear of losing money makes people panic sell, while greed pushes them to chase trends. Here's the golden rule. Invest in what you understand and stick to your plan. Think of your $100 as a seed. You wouldn't dig it up every week to check if it's grown, right? Be patient. Trust the process. And hey, if you're about to Google best crypto under $1, let's take a deep breath together. Focus on steady, reliable options before diving into riskier waters. Point 5. The mindset of an investor. By starting with $100, you're not just investing in the market, you're investing in yourself. It's a mindset shift from being a spender to being an owner. Every dollar you put in is a vote for your future self. And here's the most important part. It's not about the $100, it's about what comes next. Once you've made that first move, you'll gain momentum. That's how small beginnings lead to big results. So, here's what I want you to do. Take that $100, choose one of the options we discussed, and start today. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Your journey to wealth begins with this one small step. And if you want to truly understand the power behind this journey, check out my next video on the power of compounding. It'll show you how your investments can grow exponentially over time. Click the link on the screen now. It's the video that'll change the way you think about money forever. Remember, it's not about having the most money. It's about making the smartest moves. See you in the next video.